Oh, in case you're on Windows 10, again, this is Windows 7, but in case you're on Windows 10 and you are trying to use the command prompt to start a zip file, so here we can use dir and see we're located in this directory, and we are trying to open this guy right here. Okay, if we try to do start and we just typed in tab, so it autofilled, and then hit enter, and it will actually give you another zip file on Windows 7. But if it is just starting a new cmd.exe, very similar to what you'd get as a result here, and it does not open the zip file you are wanting in Windows 10. I'm recording it here because of limitations. What we want to do is we want to start, add a blank, and then type in your zip file or any other type of file. This is applicable to that, right? So start, 2 quotes, and then your file. And when you hit enter, again, there's Windows 7, so it won't work exactly like that, but it will start up that program with the extension tied to the executable that would usually start that extension. So Excel would be, again, Excel, Word would be Word, zip files would be like 7-zip or WinZip, whatever it might be, and that way you can use the command prompt to open pretty much any file you want, the way you want it. Thanks.